Hari Om children, good morning. Welcome to our world, EVS Green World, isn't it? Our topic. See, our topic is Green World. In that, we know about the types of plants. In that, terrestrial plants, and in the terrestrial plants, there are again three types which are grow in plateaus and plains, and which are grow in the mountain regions, and which are grow in the desert regions. Also, we know that, isn't it? And aquatic plants also, we know how many types of aquatic plants are there, how are it's useful to us. All these things we know in the last classes. And root system also, the taproot system and fibrous root system also, we know that. And we know that uses of roots, how many ways we are using the roots, and flowers, and what are the labels of flower also, we know that. And different types of flowers and how many ways flowers also useful to us, we know that. Now in this class we are going to know about uses of fruits. Yes, after flowers are turned into fruits, isn't it? Flowers are turned into fruits. We know that number of fruits we are using every day, isn't it? Bananas, mangoes, seasonal fruits are there, apple, guava, like papaya, pineapple, wood apple, custard apple, raw apple, like so many types of fruits we are using in our daily life, isn't it? Now, some different fruits which are useful, like medicinal values. The fruits like lemon and neem. See, what is this? Lemon, isn't it? All are using now. Everyone know about the lemon. See how it grows. And amla, lemon, neem, and amla have medicinal values. These are all medicinal values, which are lemon, neem, amla. Amla means utirikai. Neem means nimmakai. Sorry, neem means vepakai, and lemon means nimmakai. Isn't it? All these are very useful to us, and it is a part and parcel of our food also, isn't it? And now fruits like, see here, what is this? Soap nuts. Are you using soap nuts? How many are using? Ask your parents. Are you using soap nuts? Kunkudukaylu. In the olden days, the people are crushed this one and remove the seeds, and these are soaked in water. While head bathing time, they are using this one. And this and see this another one. This is shikakai. In Telugu also shikayi we are calling shikakai in English. Used for cleaning hairs. Why they are using? Used for cleaning hairs. This is very useful, and it will not giving black hairs for long last, isn't it? Black hair for long lasting. చాలా కాలం వాళ్ళు అప్పుడు వెంట్రుకలు నల్లగా ఉండే కారణం ఏమంటే షాంపూలు అన్నీ వాడేవాళ్ళు కాదు అప్పుడు. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ది దిస్. And each part of plant is very useful to us. Every part in the plant we are using bark, flowers, leaves, what is that, roots, isn't it? Stem, that means trunk, branches, every part in the tree also useful to us. And also additionally, how it is useful to us, plants are a great gift of nature. See here, plants are a great gift of nature. All plants are independents, not dependents. We are dependents. That means we are depend about other members in the society or in home, whatever it may be, wherever it may be. But trees never depend upon others. It's what it's want. It's to prepare food ever itself. How it is prepare the food? See here, this system is called the preparation of food. Plants prepare their food on their own using carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. See here, sunlight is using here carbon dioxide CO2 and water from the roots, and it releases sugar, oxygen. Why plants are ecological balance means human beings and all animals releasing carbon dioxide, taking oxygen. Plants are taking carbon dioxide, releasing oxygen. This vice versa. So, how much population is increases, that much plants also want to increase, and that much how much vehicles are increasing, how much industries are increasing. Through that, we want to balance through plants only. It will balance the oxygen levels. ఆక్సిజన్ ఈజ్ బ్రీత్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్, అంటే ప్రాణవాయువు. ఆక్సిజన్ మనకు ప్రాణవాయువు. ఎందుకు ప్రాణవాయువు అయింది? అది ఉంటేనే మనం బతుకుతాం. రీసెంట్గా మనం కరోనాలో కూడా ఆక్సిజన్ లెవెల్స్ పడిపోయినాయి, చాలా మంది చనిపోయినారు అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఎందుకు ఆక్సిజన్ లెవెల్స్ పడిపోతున్నాయి బాడీలో కదా? ఆక్సిజన్ అనేది ఎంత ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనకి ఎక్కడ ఇంకా వస్తుంది న్యాచురల్గా ఆక్సిజన్? ప్లాంట్స్ ఇంకా వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి వీ వాంట్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ద ప్లాంట్స్, వీ వాంట్ టు శాంపుల్ ద ప్లాంట్స్, వీ వాంట్ టు increase the plants. We want to stop the control or stop the cutting of the plants, isn't it? That is, we want to develop the things. Okay, see another picture also you observe. See here also what it is using: carbon dioxide and sunlight, water, roots, minerals and water it is using, and releasing oxygen and glucose. It both releases oxygen and glucose, isn't it? Yes. Collect some fruits and flowers from our garden. And see here, plants and trees are gift of Mother Nature. Plants and trees are gift of Mother Nature. మనకు ప్రకృతి తల్లి వంటిది. భగవద్గీతలో అదే చెప్పిన శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ కూడా ప్రకృతి తల్లి వంటిది, శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్ముడు తండ్రి వంటి వాడందరికీ. ఇజంట్ ఇట్ లైక్ దట్? హియర్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ అండ్ ట్రీస్ ఆర్ గిఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ మదర్ నేచర్. మనకు మదర్ నేచర్ ఏం చేసింది? మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫుడ్ అన్ని ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? ప్లాంట్స్ ఇంకనే వస్తుంది కదా. మ్యాక్సిమం ఫుడ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి వీఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ plants only. Maximum seed, only milk and other things, remaining all we are getting from plants only, isn't it? Yes. And there are many uses of plants and trees. See nature picture also you observe. How is the nature? See how it is. If you see green color, it is a feast for eyes. అంటే కన్నుల పండుగ. మనం గ్రీన్ కలర్ చూస్తున్నామంటే కళ్ళకు ఆరోగ్యం ఇచ్చినట్ల. మనసుకే కాదు, కంటికి కూడా ఆరోగ్యమే. మనకి అక్కడ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అక్కడ తీసుకునే గాలి కూడా ఆక్సిజన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి హెల్తీగా ఉంటాం మనం. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? దట్ ఈస్ ద స్పెషాలిటీ. అండ్ ఇన్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ వీఆర్ కటింగ్ డౌన్ ట్రీస్ అండ్ వీఆర్ నాట్ ప్లాంటింగ్ అగైన్ for construction of roads and construction of factories, buildings, dams. So many we are going to develop. Through this, so much of forest are plants, trees are decreasing. We are not planting again. That's why the plants percentage, the greenery percentage is decreasing in the world. That's why you are facing number of problems, isn't it? Yes, this causes a lot of climate changes. Why the temperature is increasing day to day and year by year? Because this is the main cause. Increasing of pollution and burning of waste, and more industries releasing more carbon monoxide like that dangerous gases, and we are using fridge and ACs. These are also releasing, which are damage to the ozone, isn't it? All these, how we are going to control? Through plants only will control, isn't it? That's why let us safeguard nature by protecting our environment. See, we can protect environment like this. See how it is beautiful, isn't it? Environment and planting a lot of trees, it will balance to us, it will give support to us. Okay, children, Hari Om. Thank you. We are going to close the chapter today. Thank you. Again, continue in the class. Okay. Thank you.